Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine, and today I have something that's very special that I have been super excited about, and it is the Apple Magic Keyboard. So this finally came, and I'm just excited about it. So I ripped the packaging off. I want to unbox it, give you guys my initial impressions. Now this right here is my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and I have been using it with this just flip up folio case, and I've actually been using it with this case right here for most of the day, and it's just a cheap Amazon case. And then when I need to get some work done, which I actually posted a picture a couple of days ago on Instagram, I've been using the Apple Magic Keyboard, pair that with it, and then also the Apple Magic Mouse. And then I just had this combo going. I could get a lot of work done moving the mouse, typing, and it was really useful and creative. So when the keyboard was finally announced and it was dropping, had to pick one up. So let's see what comes in the box, how it fits in the iPad, and exactly how it feels. Okay. There's nothing else in the box. Let's just open this up. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that it's heavy. Like, compared to the iPad, they might weigh the same with this case on. It's hard to tell. I'll put on the screen actual weight of the iPad Pro 12.9 and the new keyboard. So, okay, so it just opens up. We got some paperwork designed by Apple, made in California. Some booklets in here, but we're not gonna read that. It's a keyboard case. So, okay, that's a tight hinge. So that hinge right there, it's very stiff, not flimsy at all, and it almost just wants to snap into that position. Like, I'm just literally pushing and it just wants to snap into that position. Then you got this part right here that goes back and forth. So that's pretty cool. Let's take the iPad and see how that actually fits on here. So this right here is actually the 2018 iPad Pro. Now, I picked up the 2018 iPad Pro for over the 2020, and I'll have a full video of that coming out, why I actually picked this one up in 2020 over the 2020. But anyway, it fits. So for those of people that wanted to know how it fits, that's how the camera is gonna look. It's just gonna have the square cutout, but the single camera still fits in there. So if that's something you're curious in, that's how it looks. So this feels very, very nice. And the keyboard, oh, okay. And it just automatically connected. So if I'm typing, going to apple.com, I totally forgot that there was a cursor on here. Cursor feels, oh, very responsive. Gestures are there. I can swipe through. Swipe side to side. Okay, so gestures work fantastic, and it's super fast, and I actually don't mind that. I don't want to slow it down or anything. I like the way it works. Now, for this hinge, so one hand closing is there, super easy. One hand opening. No, you're not going to get one hand opening, so you got to hold that, lift. So when you hold and lift, it snaps here, and it stops at this like 45-degree angle. So snap, and then the rest is rotated like that. And then you can have this at any angle you want, which is great. It doesn't go fully flat, so if you were to use an Apple Pencil, which I don't know where my Apple Pencil is right now, but if you were trying to draw on it, I think you would get a lot of bounce on the keyboard. I mean, on the display. But overall, I like that. You know, if I actually pull this hinge down right here, I can make it come down all the way right on the actual keyboard surface. So when I'm typing, everything is right there. It's not a very comfortable viewing angle from this position, but it's good to know that you can do that. And then if you pop it back, so it snaps back. I don't think that it wants to be held in this position because like when you move this, it's hard to explain. It wants to stay shut, and it also wants to stay open. This bottom portion right here, this little half that you see, this works independently. Besides that, this is a nice keyboard. I like the material that the outside is made of. Same material as their other keyboard. Same material on the back. It's really easy to just snap on there, snap off, snap on, snap off. It sometimes will get misaligned sideways, but there's a lot of strong magnets. So it's gonna be super easy to snap on, to snap off. Keyboards feel great. So if I compare that to the Apple keyboard, all right, so the Apple keyboard, the original Magic keyboard, they still feel a little nicer than this one. And they're a little bit quieter. Yeah, so they're a little bit quieter. They're a little bit more, there's a little bit more dampening, like a cushion. These ones are a little harsher. They hit the actual, like they bottom out a little harsher, and you can tell that in the feel. But I'm gonna give you guys a review after I use this thing for about a week or so, see exactly how it holds out, how the typing experience is, you know, performance, if there's any scuffs, how that scuff on the back hinge is doing, all that stuff. So if you guys have any questions or things that you guys want me to look into, definitely leave me a comment down below in the description. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.